Kriyayoga meditation teaches clearly what is the true love. We do not know how to love. We do not know how to love country, how to love a person, how to love parents, how to love children, and how to love Guru and how to love anyone. Therefore, Kriyayoga meditation is very, very important. Mahatma Gandhi practices Kriyayoga meditation. He was deep practitioner of Kriyayoga meditation. Therefore, he was able to withdraw the life current from sense organ, from mind and reasoning power. What is the important point? Now, India has to rise. And how India will rise? The moment majority of the population of India will start practicing Kriyayoga meditation, then we will have determination that we are not going to leave body until India will reach to the highest stage, as Gandhiji did. Okay, we are having some other ideas also. Some person sacrificed their life. Some person died and was hanged. And some person just shot Britishers and others. After that, they shot themselves. They are not true lover of the nation. They only killed Britishers or anybody else because of the hatred. And when you are trying to kill anyone, you cannot bring a nation up. It is the greatest force love which was present in India. Therefore, India was very big. Afghanistan was with India, Iran was with India, Pakistan was with India, Bangladesh was with India, and Burma was with India, Nepal was with India, Tibet was with India. Now, because of the hatred we developed inside, now India became small. We want same love again. How to get the same love? One example, Mahatma Gandhi. And he decided to live 126 years because he calculated that up to that time he will be able to make India great. But what happens, you see, that he was being assassinated by Indians, not by others, for whom Gandhiji lived and survived, whole life each and every moment gave, and Gandhiji was assassinated by one person. Already everybody knows Godse, and Godse belonged to Hindu. A Hindu assassinated Hindu prophet. Now, what is the important thing? Never try to unnecessarily think that X person and he died on the spot. He killed himself. And why he killed himself? Because he killed many. After that, he do not want to be killed by others. Therefore, he assassinated himself. Somebody hanged to death. Somebody did this, somebody did that. Somebody put the fire everywhere. So much murder and killing was done. They were not lover of the nation. They were not lover of themselves. They are not lover of the humanity. Never try to become fanatic. With the war, with the fight, with the murder, with the killing, you cannot rise a nation up. Therefore, India is going to teach to all over the world. When you practice the Kriyayoga meditation sincerely, you will know how to love the nation. You will know how to love the people. You will know how to love animals. You will know how to love plants. And now India is rising. All should understand this. All bureaucrats, all leaders, all judges should live the life of Gandhiji. If they want make nation give. If Gandhiji can live like that, anybody can live like that. Gandhiji was very healthy at the old age. How fast he was walking. After 20 days fast, how fast he was walking. How much he worked. Therefore, remember, if Gandhiji can survive in India in that way, let us all mind, all riches, everything should be for all, not for few persons alone. Therefore, I request to all judges of the Supreme Court, all judges of the High Court, all judges of the Civil Court, and all bureaucrats, and all nationals, all the persons who are working as a leader, as the party leader, they should live like Gandhiji. If you are not living it, slowly nature will make a change that you cannot work it. I bow to all of you, and I hope that you are understanding. If you are not understanding, do not bother. Practice Kriyayoga meditation more and more, you will develop understanding. Gandhiji did work because he practiced Kriyayoga meditation. This is brief message for all of you. I bow to all of you.